challenge. Next up are two lovely ladies, this time from Slovenia. 13-year-old Patricia comes from a family of musicians where everyone plays a stringed instrument. She's a fan of historic places and a fan of mountains. Her dream is to travel the world and play in the biggest concert halls. Please welcome Patricia Aušič from Slovenia.
Sem Patricia Aušič, stara sem 13 let in prihajam iz Ljubljane, iz Slovenije in igram violino. Torej, zelo mi je všeč, da smo prišli sem v Višegrad, zaradi tega, ker moja najljubša dva predmeta sta zgodovina in geografija in tukaj lahko raziskujem vso zgodovino tega gradu.
Patricia je 4-letna začela igrati violino, jaz sem jo poučeval in takoj opazil, da je nekaj posebnega.
Prihajam iz glasbene družine in vsak dan se nekaj sliši glasbo, ali jo vadi moja sestrica, ali jo posluša, ali oči vadi, ali jo skladam in povsod je glasba in ja, cela družina igra, zato je zelo zanimivo.
Pa gre kakšnega ciha fislev naprej, prav? Ok.
Ja, prav, zelo dobro, zelo dobro.
Torej, ja, zelo rada tekmujem najprej in ko sem pač videla te tekme virtuozi, sem se pač odločila, da sem borjala tudi na to tekmo, ker to je pač velika tekma s televizijami in tako in to je pač odlično, če lahko se tekmujem jaz.
On stage, Patricia Aušič from Slovenia.
ovation. I don't know if I'm saying the right thing, but I think in a way your dream came true, because look, you're with the most amazing orchestra. You're on a quite amazing stage. You're in TV too, additionally. You're in front of superstars, and they really liked the way you played. How do you feel?
I feel very good.
Of course. It feels good when your dreams come true when you work hard, right? Okay. So because you don't like when I finish with you, let's start with you, Hauser. How did you like Patricia?
I have to be honest, you're the first one to give me goosebumps today.
Thank you.
If I close my eyes, I would think it's oyster playing or anyone. I would never imagine it's a 13-year-old child. The sound is what's miraculous. How can a child, a 13-year-old child, have such a rich sound? So touching, so musical. Where is this maturity coming from? It's a real prodigy, really. There is no explanation.
Yeah, I think maybe it is coming from a family of musicians. When you're surrounded by professionals.
It's highest level in every aspect.
Thank you.
She's an old soul. There's these short slides, switching over strings, you have high and the D string and stuff like that. You cannot teach how to use a short slide. To lean into a note, to find an expressive way of manipulating that is not teachable. It's just something that's in your DNA.
It's a gift from God.
That is was
You
very,
have it.
very, very special.
I was mesmerized. You made me cry, and that's been the first time in the whole evening. And that's, to me, the most important thing. When you can reach the heart of a person, that's what music is about. Enjoy it, enjoy it, enjoy it, and you'll make so many people happy.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, you made a lot of people happy today, and I'm sure your whole family is very proud of you and very happy. Thank you so much. Brava, Patricia. You did a great job.
Torej, meni je bilo na odru igrati res odlično, zelo dobro. Rada nastopam na tekmovanjih ali na koncertih, rada nastopam. In ja, v bistvu ne mislim nič na drugega, kot samo na to, da bi zaigrala čim lepš in čim boljše, tako kot sem se učila, in v bistvu pozabim na vse ostalo in samo uživam v igranju.
It's a very big moment at the Virtuosos International Competition, because in this moment we will make a World Guinness record with the help of Patricia, who will show us how to play.
The Flight of the Bumblebee by Rimsky-Korsakov.
Yes, in the world's fastest way. So we will count, you will see on the screens, we will count the time.
The seconds.
So Placido, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I hope they want you in the club. They're ready.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4.
Is 1 minute and 4 seconds.
Exactly. 10 minutes, I told you.
Congratulations. It's a Guinness record, actually. We will make it official, do it for you.
Yes.
Okay. Patricia, thank you so much. Congratulations, and join us here, okay? Thank you.
And now, the last contestant of today's semi-final. She may be young, but she's all the more devoted to her instrument and to classical music. The piano helps her connect with people and express herself. Please welcome to stage Julia Kante from Slovenia.
Torej, ime mi je Julia Kante, stara sem 15 let in prihajam iz Trsta oziroma iz okolice Trsta.
Slovenija. Glasba je v bistvu zame ključ življenja, je ključ, ki mi odpira srce in mi odpira vse obzorja in mi nudi možnost, da se vsemi pogovarjam in da si odpiram samo srce. V bistvu jaz živim v naravi, tako mi je narava zelo blizu, torej rada grem v naravo in rada jo seveda fotografiram, torej ta prostor je zares lepa priložnost. Babica je moj vzor, so me stalno spremlja, ko igram klavir in mi daje moč, da grem naprej. In veliko stvari počnem z njo, recimo kuham z njo že odkar sem bila majhna. Julija, kako sem bila? Ma ja, Ljoško, zdaj so štari, poštrižite, ne?
Ja, to je naše veselje, ne? A? Julija.
Delat njo, kako je to?
Really?
Moji babici vedno pošljem razglednice in tudi tu iz Budimpešte bom seveda poslala. Prijavila sem se na to tekmovanje, ker sem tako željna novih izkušenj in komaj čakam, da se preizkusim v novih rečeh.
On stage, Julija Kante from Slovenia.
my goodness. How did you do this? You put me, at least, and I think our viewers at home, and I hope our judges, in this different state. Really.
Thank you so much.
I know you have this tradition, too, that wherever you go, you have a postcard that you sign and you send to your grandmother. I think it's so beautiful. You get a signature of people that are part of your experience. So perhaps there is a person. Would you like to?
Yeah.
Me too.
On the side.
Okay.
I would be really happy, thank you.
What's the name of your grandma?
Nora.
Nora. Wonderful name. You know, I am an old-fashioned person too, because I send always postcard. I love the paper and to write.
It's a good memory to see where you were being at.
Exactly.
I know Slovenia, so I'm gonna read it for her, so she can hear it.
Okay.
Zdravo, Nora.
Hi, Grandma.
It's probably personal.
I'm sitting in a tree. Budapest is really wonderful. I get to experience dreams and unforgettable challenges. It's really a wonderful day. Love.
Yeah.
Wow, it's incredible.
I think this will be a very special postcard.
Memory.
Here you go, for your hands.
Thank you so much.
So what did you think about this performance? Let's start with Gabriela.
Thank you for this piece. It's very interesting. It put us to a different mode. I don't know if you noticed the graphics. It went really well with what you played. I liked it. You're very mature. It seems like you have an old soul. We often use it.
I saw all of you, to be honest, close your eyes at some point. Steven, you were really appreciating every sound.
Contemporary music or music shouldn't only be played from dead people. You know, being classical doesn't mean that it's old. You know, you could do a contemporary piece and have a relationship with a living composer and bring that forth as well. So I thought that was a fascinating choice, which takes a lot of courage. A lot of courage to do that.
Pablo, you had your eyes closed as the first one. I was watching you guys, you closed your eyes as the first one.
No, I was beforehand.
Yeah.
So you brought us to a beautiful place, a very intimate part of yourself, and I could feel that even without knowing the relationship you have with your grandmother. And now it makes more sense because I honor very much the voice of our ancestors through us, and this is who we are. Our roots, our traditions spoken through us and through your music, and I could feel that, and it was a very special place. And I wished, you know, as a musician, and this is a competition, you brought us to some other places as well. So it was a wonderful, charming, precious place that you invited us to be part of. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming and giving us this opportunity